Mwanchumu rigereria karibu nande buna nakumanya ngochikomera na twarengenere umuwakili Steve muwakili Sonya oyule omwe-MCA wosameta mukwerero ward ekirato chigusanga mange igoro yagendrete kwene kiwase siasa korwa aseriro balia gusi ninde no kwigenanga nigo ole standby elio tunyarika batugusanga mange nawe gotobasa kwibanga naye nabo gusanga ebirengereri bya guchiga ase studio gusonye kubwateri bolirion lindelionsi gochase mheshimiwa nabo ogotuma wetera ase namba yazimia 0726447367 kusina bogo tulikira comment ya gukalia sensemo ya Facebook nabo igo YouTube ekerotori live muna Getembe TV igo sanga na intwe nabo igo tara na intwe ekerotogo chugusanga mangi haya gendete kwenekiwa kurugalia siasa ime Engambo ya Getembe. Mheshimiwa, karibu sana.
Asante sana so kunkaribisha ase TV yetu ya Getembe.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Na bogo kwani mwanchumu rigereria umutebi na kyokuruku ekerotogo swa ase Engambo ya Getembe litukulia lero.
Mbia muno tigagina ni mbia muno sana ase abaminto Getembe TV asukungarika gocha ase TV yenu. Bere ni mbia muno na kabere nkwani abantu bagusingima abarigerere Getembe TV na Kenya as a whole. Bakwani bona bwerire mbia mule.
Yes.
Happy Sabbath to all of you. Mwenspi mbasabire sabate ingia asengencho twasabire sabato. Ngira na sabantu bamintu basameta mukwerero. Batebye abantu basameta mukwerero bwerire mbia mule.
Yes.
Mbia mono nande nabasabire bona tunyare ko tobamo asengencho yogotware ngambere ngia kubwa mono ekworo kibuya iguru ya amaendelero aito na county yetu ya Kisii na kubwa mono sameta mukwero as a ward.
Yes.
Otherwise tigangina nimbia mono nekero turagenderere na basabire tiga tubwatira nekirito kunyara gukwana sibono undetage ekiwa undetarora bobe egekwerekero umuntu nabwate freedom of speech na freedom of speech yekerongo yekwana teba na ya ku affect na yanchira nabuna na inchine kerengera likiane na kwana ikyobongo bwane
kabisa
mbia mono sana.
Alright, asante sana kuri no mwanchumu rigereri nande tobasa kwebanga ebirengereri byonsi ebiturachi gusanga ime Engambo ya Getembe litukulia lero mbibwati bwa matebondi bwensi na Getembe usebirengereri mheshimiwa rachikorwa ase Engambo ya Getembe mbirigo chigutwara bwa matebondi bwensi na Getembe TV gose bunigete kolende ne birengereri bya yerbye kabene buno muntu igo umwanchumu rigereri make sure ngakirito gukwana nkeligo chigutwara abwa matebondi bwensi na intwe buna egetaseni kya Getembe TV. Mheshimiwa, ekero tukuligereria account ya Kisii.
Yes.
Namanga abiri gakwene kiwanene kurwase siasa.
Yes.
Na kiura kwaniri guru ya siasa chia abiri chikwene kiwase liro bali agusi generally.
Mbia muno madam. Inche buna sonyo ndari.
Yes.
Siasa ya Gusii I think buna naye rigere iri ibintu bigendret of late. Nkiri buna asenaro asande tutagete kubekwa as tutagwenerete koba. For example, you see siasa nebwenerete koba at least nyore to gukwana Gusii tumanye we are talking if it is talking about a county ya Kisii as of the county government ya Kisii to riggerly specifically a county government ya Kisii. Ntobaza kurigereria a county ya government ya Kisii tumanye kuruona ande tuyerusio toso iko yebeka when we are looking at the national politics ya Kenya toyerete county government of Kisii. You see you got to come misplaced.
Okay.
We get ourselves to a very misplaced in one way or another. Because siasa negendreta mabirira nagendeta ko abantu mbaro batagitobo governor abantu mbaro batagitobo MP abantu mbaro batagitobo MCA. You see bono governor otorigerete ko era storigerete ko chia 2027 as tutaitogo so achikura. So on my side igonta getendigereri egento kereki ya keriturakore.
Yes.
abantu baito mbabasa kuirubusa igo neriugirie chiredio abantu bande babwate chibesa bagosoa chiredio bakwana bono bamanya gusiriria abantu ground mbabwata point babwena togutumia nyore togukwana about Sameta Mukwerero as my ward. There is no good reason umuntu arasoigo nkombea inji Sameta Mukwerero amanye kuruo asaigo kwana igore ya Simbarati oyote nete county ngima wikatori Simbarati igare governor we county obwate about 46 or 45 wards ichiakora.
Yes.
Ekabono kumukombe abuna tara akora kende Sameta Mukwerero ya kolire gasi county tara akora kende this county is part ward yane is part of Kisii County.
Right.
So this politics tutaitugutuara buna we start comparing maybe there is if kwende achire euphoria buna Matiang'i na Arati igare a county yoka Matiang'i igare umuntu o national government.
Right. Mheshimiwa nyuma tutaragenda ase Matiang'i ntaite turakwanira igoro ye county ya Kisii na igo Gusii yonse in general. Ekero toko kwanira igoro ye county ya Kisii ekero toko murekera magendero ye county ya Kisii.
Yes.
From where you are seated no mheshimiwa oko represent abantu ba Mukwerero.
Yes.
Can you saying there is development in ye county?
Tigango tebie in fact development ya kolirwe in the last about 4 years.
Okay.
Ige komo jikorengana development ya koletu about the last 10 years. Why do I say this? Ntegerere kabisa ntegerere.
Yes.
I've been in Kisii town. Na very sana. What I saw the previous regime na bono is different.
Okay.
It's totally different. Bono iga development ya very failed in every ward ya Kisii County. Not one, not totally whether it is Bogetutu, Nyaribali, Bobasi, Bomachoge, Bonchali, Bugirango. All these places development has been failed back at the ground.
Yes.
Let me say, kira MCA iga koleta chi project chiaye chire about 27 million. Chi project chire 27 million, the county government comes in because me as MCO Sameta abantu bane bangere proposals kyabo igento batagete kekolerwe kere of priority neke na kelia. So inche koleta se county neke na getagere ke priority.
Yes.
So ekero kire county na kebekire ibyasoire even in the budget ya etiwe what remains the executive to do it. Executive wagokora ige gokora all over the county and this has happened. For example in Sameta Mukwerero I am very happy to say that as a Sameta Mukwerero inyore ni ECD classes. I've done ECD classes about 17 schools. And almost all schools have received ECD class. To jachinya gitari, I've tried the best we could. Webuna ne county government. We are promoting up the hospitals.
Nko ikera tole ase ayikwa bereko gukorera abana inchi ba be ward yago ya Sameta Mukwerero. Ono turarigereria a county in general ekero tugukwanira county ane tugukwanira ubutenenere bwe county na ali abereke gukorera abana inchi be bagusibo be county ya Kisii in totality.
Yes.
Right. Twarorire mheshimiwa watebire nga amagendera akoliru in 4 years.
Yes.
Akoliru
at
as
least
previous, as a previous regime.
Yes.
Nga there is a difference.
Aibono nkunyara kororekana. Yes.
All right.
Kiro yo makunyara kunyara kilia ya korekanisa. Yes.
All right. Twarorire siasa chi county ya Kisii twarorire mono abarai.
Yes.
Aba batenerete chi county mono twarorire abange babo siasa chi abo mono bagokora twarorire nechia okurutira namangana.
Yes.
Twarorire oyo kwaneke oyo iranirieke. Can we say I have no muwakili? Can we say that is the right way we should go in politics?
Mind what is happening of late. Abantu baito igintu ba igikugera kurutira na mang'ana ro as a county ya Gusii here and there.
Yes.
Nkiria buna injira abantu barengerere tibariwe bainyari take buna ngwikira bari kibesa mono buna batagete ibasinyira gukikira boigo bono kibesa gikira niwe kiri umwana inchi oyoromoke nere akorerwa maendeleo now abaiga bakuigugo bebuna ingigete kyagera asaya taigurwa tokore gentuki tonyore injira yokonyora kibesa but in essence ukurutira na amang'ana ayaro namake uisoko yaligereri buya kene nke ya gukwanira kenene kubwa kurigani una ekento akorerwa kirinto akorerwa muntu yo tama intibura yo litamkore tigento no
Yes.
egento kero inkerina ki umurai gwikai gulibaga akoro burai bwaye tori buna buri kwaganiti nyoro ubwatinjira ya taite gukoreta development iri ngao gusinjira yo koreta this development injira iringi yakorengana nere tigatamo iri bagatorena kieko it is same way buno roche abantu igo bakanya kuga buna ekaratu agenjeti korwa 844 twasoira sigete people bantu mbai wanjira na buna CBC ngikikokorere kende but as time goes we will again ucha wanjira na buna CBC negento kirekia.
Right.
Yes.
Mheshimiwa, speaking of Matiang'i.
Yes.
Can we say a Jubilee Party? Ni bwateli baga ime ya Gusii.
I cannot say no or yes. Because again tungerina ki Jubilee Party tige oni Gusii. You see a party ende onsi ekerewo etagete go soa sigete igeke oni mono yanyara kobego sorro eri yamenya kuruwa yanyara libaga linene ntoiko se Jubilee Party ku Gusii.
Yes.
It is one of the national parties nero na beta eteje Gusii na kubwa mono kuyaletire umweshimiwa Matiang'i. We are not saying no tigeche Gusii have failed asiaka igu yarenge mono kare igu kanete mono na Gusii bono ejikuigwe mono nero etwale libaga ligia ime ya Gusii. So we cannot say buna Jubilee Party tebwa tibaga ni Gusii.
Okay.
No, because in essence Gusii nyene aba Gusii ntura ibeka tutwale kiama gyaito ekito kumove into abanyene kine kya Gusii tikatodire na kerokyo tubeke presidential candidate yaito tokolekende buna limo omugako linya chae akorete.
Right.
Aganse kiama kyaye agakebeka ikabeke mu Gusii nande akabeka Gusii in fact baka nona abantu aba councilors kya choletwa aba MP ba choletwa bakasoese kiama kyaye bono iga we are looking at it. Yes, we cannot say una Jubilee igo so Gusii ngocheri. Yes.
Mheshimiwa eno muntu tutamu se wanta.
It depends.
One.
It depends on what you mean by two term na two term. On my side, no, let me talk of two term.
Okay.
On my side, as I am here seated, nche nintakete ntuale two term. So as you know the next, maybe utaito MP. Ntinko manyere na takete two term, go say three term, go say four term, go so. I don't want to interfere. It is on my side in chomanyane. But if you in the bira two term, one term, you know, it depends the way you talk it.
Do you support the current government?
Which one? County government or national
the national government?
Inyole wantegereire asama tukamange kerongo kwana. The national government, I don't know where I can put it. Because a country igewende kurawa ne constitution. And we have what we call rule of law.
Sure.
Ekero konyora umuntu ro tabwa this constitution. Yes, na tianire ne constitution. I carry up the constitution that a constitution I will defend it and I will uphold it. But at the end of the day, you don't go as per the constitution.
Yes.
So obviously again to what tianire to document nga sawo itole igoro kai kugutiga. Ekero what tianire gendo rande to gekora nyasaye gako gosokibu yagotebi naki igabona tumayitige to gokora. So on my side, I'm saying the current government, the upper, the manyeti richiko.
Okay.
So which means it is not following the constitution. Na hande karuwa so kirisko ye constitution, manyabuna igugwete all sides.
Okay.
Because the constitution igero gukubekera ine kworokie bunekero lebunaga to soka to korega. For example now, there are orders chikuru wene courts against the government. The government doesn't want to heed to those querende orders or the rulings, the judgments chikuru against the government.
Yes.
The constitution, I mean the churches have come out and have said clearly, SHA is unconstitutional. You force ahead and go what an ashati kolege kogera ntotagetetorore na kigokora. For another thing, ekarto kurigeria kwende housing. This bagote bagose chi nyumba chi rigo lirinke, ose bagochiruka use affordable or what? Sister, let's be sincere and look at it. Abalimu bagosomya babekiru lazima bakane chibe bakane gutu affordable housing. Totebe abantu be county bakane to affordable. Osa abantu bandi bonse bali girene serikali. Ekwirende kaligerelia ekareke nekere tu koti egatebi. That is discriminative. It is not there. That is against the law. And that's against the constitution. Then you force it on people. Now, myself, I always remain to question myself. Umuntu uyu guchangira these affordable houses. Chibes chia yona chuiru. Nkoe wale nyumba. Chegera chimbe chinkoni guchire. Abantu bagora. Chibes chiri chiago liru neji chetu to guchanga. Inga ichi guchi. So at some stage I differ on some issues.
Okay.
Yes.
Right, asante sana mheshimiwa. Twarorira baraia bange anene kurugusi karukira na siriro baria gusi. Twarorira baraia bange bagotebanga. Let's come together tukwane nerio girimo muna mugusi egere to support our very own. That is Matiang'i o US okiri kubulia ekeruguki. Yes. Mheshimiwa, do you support Matiang'i?
On my side, you see no mugusinde.
Sure.
Umugusinde. Tinko itera umwana one. Tinko itera umwana one. No. Rero n'abantu bose kubara muite nje timuita. Umaente ekegusiye kamo abantu bande some time back. Abantu bakabeka namo buna omoroginaro wachande tukubatumira. Ekero babeka no morogi yo bataite kubwata abamura bo munyu yo lengo morogi bakayibeka nabo bataite barangeria abantu. Ekero baji kubwata bakanyoranga na babwata. You know egento bakorete igo bamutigete bagasoka mwegerera mbamwita. So there is no way umugusi agojikubeka isikukuru asimatia. If Matiang'i oyo nkoe wale a ticket from bali badebiro na they are the opposition. Nere efrag beara ya opposition. We will start singing from Mambi paka Marago. Saying Matiang'i totaget. So we as politicians, we are waiting whatever what is the next course of action, then we are there.
So you support him because he's our very own.
That is the first thing. Kumu support no mugusi.
Okay.
Na and secondary na orogeti kera alenge internal security na orogeti buna at least na korete bintu biribi. Look kera alenge education. Look at it. Education ya bande baitomente amasomo twasomete na aria tutamanyete buna obuibimboro. Tutamanyete genteki. Tumanyete buna okogende kirasi no muntu buna oliga uri kama temu okorosoke. Na abantu bali bagweta inyore baeta we kwende ritwa engage division 1, division 2, division 3, division 4. Inyore moko genda high school mwa principal ibara bwate 3 principals and something like that. And these people karo alenge gweta they were very few. Oti bagweta eno masiri school ye mukwanyora abantu bonzi kurigoro bakaisi. How come? Muntu ndita yororo ero tereti yake iga kasoka isiko. So we ekara soete he made a streamline education even on abana ba editing if you look at them they are very sharp. They are very sharp.
Yes.
But I'm not saying una babane by sharp. No, they are. They are those few who are sharp. So ko nyoru mwana ko university kwa rambi ya perform. Of late, you take your mwana to a university ayetete kosi ngi yago chigokora, uikororo osinigokora kosi elia oirana ochenche kosi ngao, ose osokora to bochinga tagokora a university. So what I'm saying, from that even to bidia korete na to aroche buna, he can make it.
Right.
And lastly, you see Gen Z ekeroli waangete ebiri riba renge goitia in the National Assembly ya renge ko chanda bantu sana. Ego ba debete now, enough is enough. This is a person who we want or a corruption free and we will not tolerate corruption.
Right.
Yes.
Right, asante sana mheshimiwa Mwanchumu walikiriria ayo na itogendrete gusanga na mheshimiwa Usamete Mukwero yoro mwamsi Usamete Mukwero ekiragendete gutwerera mange ayagendete gukorekana kurugaria siasa anene asiliro bali gusito basakweba nabo kugenda gusanga ebirengereri bya gugucaga iga studio elio ntochikobietera kagetari Getembe ekero togendete gusanga no mheshimiwa kuruga iga studio mheshimiwa.
Yes.
Ekero tukwira na wodi yawo.
Yes.
Ya Usamete Mukwero. Wani gambi ntokye birio we yakirege kubote benga corona chore tukobo mu MCA.
Yes.
There are things na ikiraniri omuntu Usamete Mukwero no nero monyene they are proud of ebintu kwa babere gukubakora.
Mbiya muno. In fact muna nate bali tangani as education.
Okay.
Starting with education. Natemire kwagacha ebirasi bya ECD.
Okay.
Ange kiri school. If chi school integrity maybe kirabe ibere isatu. And this schools integrity ibere isatu na chibekiri in the forward budget.
Okay.
Only that ekero ngoja kuruwa by 20 kero tuwe kujikura 2027 onyo olebuna at least kire school nebwate class.
Sure.
And what do I have in tagete kora after 2027 which was you ebirasi ebye karona agacheira abana be kabirenga bine abana abambatake ebintu bakogosoreria ase class ine. That is my next indiangeretuna from 2027 kerabona akodire biras mbabekere abana baro banyole none bichi TV none bintu binde ebibakogosoreria ekero bali class. That is one. Two, bono iga wetera as a county government we are upgrading a Kenyerere health center.
Okay.
Kenyerere health center bunaiga ngoye change tole ebe at least ebe level 4 hospital. Eyo irakonya abantu bamukwerera sa whole n'abantu ba Usamete Mukwero. Not only Kenyerere health center equally inko upgrade tore nero twarosiri twabikire buildings twagachire Nyansakia health center nero we are upgrading it to level 4 as a ward ya Usamete Mukwero, at least 2 hospitals. Okay. And that's a landmark. Thirdly, bono iga Kenyerere nyore ndirikwaye manya igera gitunu iguru. Bono iga mbabwate borehole bakunywa maji. And we are thinking in the next budget amaji atuya sambase kujia sabantu abantu banyu. Tai Kenyerere yoka. We have also done a borehole at Nyansakia. Kera no chinyagidari kiri chinene tubeke amaji ororo abantu abanyole.
Yes.
Then other than those we have a borehole at Nyagiki. Nyagiki igebwate secondary school nebwate health center nero tuyibekirete inyore amaje in that place. Abantu bagabuko nyamba chande kita amaje ko devolution ya ansete. I'm the only person olimire about 3 or 4 boreholes in my ward. Otherwise devolution na ya ansete abande gento bate birete nichi soko kogenda barosie soka akega bakura bagenda. I've done that.
Okay.
Amacha mange pi aye oyo minto honorable Obule aroseti lakini immediately agakwama. Amache Usamete Hill. I've done the best and na yaigwire bone gabinangu kwa na igabantu Usamete Getunu around there all of them bono nkonyora bara amache kubwa kurua Usamete Getunu iguru muntu kuru Usamete Getunu utinimboka paka Nyansongo aje kuya amache. Now they have water arange aibakunyu. Weta niekyo, in fact there were some places asata lengi kunyara ko bagweteka abantu bayingweta tambe sana. I've done open roads kurwa bunanyana yire para kuri Nyansongo Nyamusongo kwende Coffee Society na igwere yabwatire paka sametege tunu igoro astokoro karibu yao. So these people are enjoying ipare talenge gweteka kurwa Nyamisaro gocha Kenyerere. I've made sure ipare ya rosi go yaitire na ndi bono ipare ende na igora ntigareti yake igere tisi na to once this the next budget baoja korosiere that will be a landmark.
Right.
Yes.
Asante.
Weta niekyo sametageti I've tried. Sametegeti ekyo kyo kutumika na abachezaji sana. I'm putting a pulpit or and I'm putting about 3 shades asegeti ekyo asabantu bagocha batenna ba ekarumpiro wako. I want Engambo market because it is in the municipality. Abantu bagocho bakepara. Na Sameta market is within the municipality. Na tuabekire ingwa togendete ko cross bono iga togendete kwagacha e market enya Sameta market. Elio ensa abantu ku Engambo bake bari bakobera Engambo street baruoro bache gutumia e market ya Sameta. We are decongesting Engambo market gocha Sameta because both of them are within the municipality. I think I have tried. Binte bimbiko era babo mwana umintu. Atanyo ndebya inko era angasokoro cheito nchi akorete. So na intu biribire senga kiya ito bigotogo tema tokore unatokonyara. And we have tried.
Right. Asante sana mheshimiwa asengencho ya yogenderete kwa sinchira ere yo wikino mwanchumu liyereria olesiko galia ndoche nabange bagenderete guturikira cyujumbe mheshimiwa inyetere cyujumbe birisatu nyuma ntarirana asore eriko kinga no mwanchumu liyereria olesiko galia anda kenaro ranyoro tugateri buri gocha sore elinere anyare koba aga koiranirwa usanyare koba kawisanika David Mugaka kurochinse mochekeroka agoteba yuko tuned in. Asante sana David asengencho nganuole gabo naragotebanga mheshimiwa asante sana sega singia ogendete gukora gucyase abantu basameta mukwerero agotebanga uendelee kufanya hivyo oisiko enda gukora hivyo nabo kwenyorera libaga lindelio koba okay yani asenchirende nabo urachiko so tutam. Alright, asante sana Moses Mogire agotebanga nwale tundi kuruchinse muchiri chari ngabi agotebanga mheshimiwa asante sana sega singia ogendrete gukora kurende nigo abereka agotebabuna ogendre gukora chira chiri kwabete gukuria mbiro utaraba kugwikirania unyariko bakugwikirania. Alright, asante sana nwale gaiga nachi gukwanira igoro yechiri cyo abete kakuria ecyo ataraba kagwikirania gusena chiri abeire kagwikirania 0726447367 nero enamba yetu isimu guchagiga studio nabo gutukwanira eyemo aseyemo ekero uganiti gukwana no mheshimiwa guchagiga studio wose onya kubwatari golyo guchagiga studio gochase umheshimiwa. Mheshimiwa,
yes,
ekero kwarenga gukora campaign amshwanga amangana nari abirata tugwa kwandrete umuntu sameta mukwerona ochiko mukorera.
Yes,
woni gas we speak kurukwa beto umu MCA mbakabona.
Yes,
mbire gotarikirania asebiri kwa beto gukurira umwana inchira.
Let me stigangira neriga bintu byose tingo ikirania
isho
kogerenga kitubwate na ichinke na boigo na chibesa wika chituke ichi wikirania bintu gwata. In fact yondi na inkonyara anga sameta mukwerero nabona arenge ko yewe tuatemete sana kuliguna na kitoko nyara tonyare sameta mukwerero bekirwe electricity.
Okay.
Lakini bono electricity nchinyora buna it is not a default function. For example, abantu bale Nyamisaro abantu bale sindagogi bagoji kubwata gukiriya marube imbabwa ati electricity. Njibwe ko monyene se itonka ntubwa ati electricity. So ekinege ndeke mutuka na kuburi buna inaki serikali ya igoro ya ingo tubwata istonyora electricity.
Yes.
Nabekira manganaya as our area MP,
okay.
Who has promised bunango temale ebintu nebivikirane. Ebintu binde mbiria ebintu egento natebete intaraikiranikiro kino ninche ngo feel buna tinakora bia etaraja nero ekorwa Nyamisaro yambuka gochia ya itambukia abantu bagenda gochia nsemo ya Nyamagwa bagenda gochia igari gatara chankaro gachandita abantu kemete batirende tinagaikirania batibono nakabeke budget tugatsaba buna tigatorosi footbridge yo abantu bambukire iko nyalekane account yako nyora chibesa ikubike gwete kwerende bya budget. So that one would be made. Kero kinkendi ete inko igubu na one kero nko genda gukwanya abantu goro nigente ke kero kyo inkera sinkora yane inge nchande tanga abantu abambanyo ole njire bagutambukira ebintu binde at least we have tried nto gukora byonsi we have tried na kama ile na kunira ali na at least most things imbiri byake mbiri bobe bya biri kyagaranye chipara na ba promise I have tried so much to make sure buna chipara nkorosi chiribiya che abantu bayitere amaje unakwego nagotebya narayi naba promise tuna ya mache n'ubugima amaje y'abantu bamidekera bakuburwa amaje bunekero cyo mugaso abantu bayito bagucandika sana. So I went ahead gotema kurabika amaje busyo na abana funsi basome tigango tebiga even none count konye taransa kwa abana ba ECD amabere nche ewodi yane igona abege tukayibona na Bible abayibuli lete mekebe 5 ya oboli inche nsaprae esukali abana baba ECD ba make sure bunanko nyoro bale erunguli kera gakina chete school nyoro bimwana biri bikeko guikansa ine bya rosire no eno kurara gakorana no sinjara ngateba every school to answer this program, and I went around the Kere school to answer this program. So nkonyubalenge erongoli erosiri eyane ekonyole school asaba ayiboli batayigwe ikange bya I went ahead na baletera oboli bagenda koroserwa erongoli mpaka you know grade 8 standard 8 as it was of then. Kios bino gikokora matemu na inko make sure because this anabana bakekera bakora matemu mainte chinguru chikoera I made sure kire skuru iko nalenge ko ya omochere barosia chindagera bali abamanya kugendanga that is go promote that education igore ndiri nabachigede education na atemire nkabwata with my friends I brought about 500 books. Pio soma nka secondary school ekurukuwa sameta mixed secondary school na ribwata abana banga among the mixed schools nka ya ebakonye gosoma so as education iri nata beta group promote it. I think I've promoted sina nko ende school na nyora abana bali bakebake bali nko nyora at least bakuri ki family abana batayiko inyara sister I used to buy the uniforms na abana balia na borobu bafiri buna abande bachi school so I tried to go gotema bunana ki ngo promote this education within my ward. Yes.
Asante sana mheshimiwa ndochenga nimbota mabuli abere kurugiga asomwa nchumuligereria oyo tuligereti naro okubuliga Hi Ruth mboreli omheshimiwa iga what is his plan uchase at the needy abuba bwate okonyora winse anene ase e ward ya Sameta Mukwerero abange babo abana batari kwenda nonye ne chiskuru abange babo mbali konyora none ndagira bakuri.
Thank you. Bia mono sana. Mheshimiwa oyo buli tigamwira neriga.
Yes.
Among the needy bali natemire gokonya in my ward. I've built about 15 houses, more than 15 in fact. Aso konyora umuntu enyumba mohererete ataikunyara. I've built for them. Mukwerero being the highest na build chinyumba chinyingi. Obuna gokonya bali batayikunyara asa bana batayikunyara bakogenda chi school. In fact I've tried the best I could other than this bursaries tokorwa umuntu ekerna nyoliro mwana nare vulnerable so much I take up that child namusomi not one not two like now I have about 10 to 15 students ngwa kanera fees free bako in the school. Utadiga abaiseke bande ba disappointed about 2-3 girls. na baka ne ire fees school bali namanya kurwa nanyora buna abana bababiri muri. So I pull out completely. Bande bagira bagonde bidiga duira ne school yonko batebikiriari igo na itigane tinka kwaka ne school ogende school osome. And I looked, in fact, some of these ladies nko baligeria school were boarding. Ababikire magena abande nabekire Nyabonge, of course it is a day school. Abande nabekire Sameda mixed. Abande mbaro ngwakanera Sigesusu boys. Abande mbaro ngwakanera Rio Kindo girls. I'm paying. Imagine I can pay umuburi hata inaacha. For example, nimbwate abana bari total orphans. These total orphans nkurigiri narora abana bambobene togokorabia. I take them up. Nabagurire ebintu with my siblings twakora shopping twakora twabakanire fees bagendera.
Right.
So igo nabaro butimba ticket mai. Even I've gone ahead in my ward. All widows and widowers, I've put them together, and all of them have received from me. So got promote yake, waimukake, bagenderere. I've put them, I've opened for them, in self-help groups.
Right.
In this self-help group, I put myself more than 30,000 shillings in every supplication to those widows and widowers.
Right.
To promote them. Now, they are in the society.
Right.
They feel good.
Okay.
Yes.
Asante sana mheshimiwa na nara ubwatari buri kurende nyuma ntara kubulira ibulira kabiri. Rukinaro naro wakire simi sana maybe toyibuna kyago teba Getembe TV. Yes. Getembe? Wairibya. Yes. Right, oyo tiganara muligereria eriogiria yakego nkoira nande asale ekero technician ikonya kondigereria eriogi mheshimiwa nara ukuburiga.
Yes.
Ask mheshimiwa akurukunga Esther Kirubo akurukuru chinse mu Nyamisaro akuburiga. Ask mheshimiwa what is his plan ochiasi abasai bali ase wodi ya Sameta Mukwerero anena bali bonsi batabwati imirimo bagokora abandi basomete bagakura chiskuru na abandi mbaigeti gukora chiskuru.
Mbia mona sana. That is very good. Right. Abasaba. Na itire round kuba let us have a self-help group. Ekero babwate this self-help group tingo konyo yomo in that group inkonye that group a few about 7 groups chiachire asinde and egento nabakoreira basaba twakwanire twaerewanire nakitogo gukora bante biri nechingo ko batagete.
Okay.
And I went ahead. We purchased the incubators. I told them now, incubate ye kobera samu.
Yes.
Amagena abe haji diororo abantu banyole ebichuchu keroyo makolege ntuke atuge. And again na itiri round once more after that. Konyora what is going on with these incubators. Now what has happened? Most cases bakabeka limo bagaturage bagakira mbagendere tuturage. So now, do I follow them right inside? I was with the meeting now at each sub chiefs and the chiefs just the other day. We agreed. Kera incubator na ruete and make sure kera youth group bali bajete up in a sublocation enyole as incubator as yekoba reached. So what I'm doing now, we agreed. We want these incubators chigende chichi gokora servicing. Now, chigokora servicing, I want all of them again to come to the ward office.
Yes.
Then again we start from there. Tuigwa nebuna are we serious inonya magena bolete bona magena yondo bakondera no manta magena atubulira itogoturagi but you have to try the best you can. Asiba konyora amagena nkurukeroka na umuntu oyo munaro gutura kurwa musocho. That's where asiba richiri ba konyora amagena. But amagena nabwate mechando, but I'm still encouraging them imuku moyo. Let's try tonyora amagena aramaya. Abantu banyora chingo kono isano. I will assist them from those chingo kecho kero muntu arende kara arende buya awani amagena ligena lere limo irengali abiri. It's money.
Sure.
It's money.
Right.
Yes.
Asante sana mheshimiwa. 0726447367 nero inamba yetu yesimiwe chakigasi studio ekirondo chinga bono iriugirianiria birebya ori urwa kesimi nabo agwakaigera abori mheshimiwa liswali abwate iri kwene kinganere nkogumanyari gusengutwara rumanyi igoro ayagendete kwene kiwa anene kurwa ase wodiria ya Sameta Mukwero. Mheshimiwa.
Yes.
What is your next project ase wodi ya Sameta Mukwero?
Now my major project intagiti gutwara oroche ndro rokuru kwa misaro oroche ndro rokuru kwa nas no roche rubata macha mange ensoko, let me say ensoko daruti roche bati ensoko.
Yes.
Ensoko ye ebwata macha mange. In fact we want to have it as a water skin.
Yes.
In that asaya gituya chitangi chibe kuchibe laced up amacha yalendwe abantu banyora amache ensemo ya Nyamira engima nande bwatelo wa Kenyerere mpaka lya Marube abantu baba supplied amache.
Yes.
Mheshimiwa boitangale okombwatesia because yigerange boundary nera nyora amache kuchiboye amache aba mangi. That is the major project in that okora. Secondary tigi ya Sameta kogera ujukorora unabono Shabana mwente no ya trainer for long.
Okay.
Ekero tigi ya Kisii and Nyamira. Shabana used to train there. Na kiange tikeranya bakurwa mambia baminyoko ba trainer yo. We want tigi ribono kerosi upya kerosi ubya at least kigitwe na chitimu chiroro ronto bwate Sameta FC nto bwate Mwenda FC ichi waka county league ne chinde bono chire sub county what they call it was inter counties. So the regionals they are there bono na chiro chitwale ribaga lyoko sangire lichibese karo kigitire buya bako sangire lichibese abanyole ekwerende. Other than that now the hospitals ichitotaite kuimukigo we have again to make sure abuna tuabekire ebintu biri bigutumeka okubwa mono asabangina reba goja konyora abana ebintu bitoko birebya chimashini kitoko cha x-rays. That is what we want now to make sure na chinyagitali kiria cyabekirwe ebintu bitagete biri bikurwa lya abantu burungi libaga all of them bakumenya goja Kisii go Engambo banyora nkali barwali.
Right.
Yes.
Asante sana mheshimiwa. Kironta ite kwengeja umwanchumo ligiriria ase chidagika ngibiri gachire busyo chisimi ibere chuka Getembe TV.
Hello Getembe.
Getembe TV.
Yes.
Karibu sana.
Mimi naitwa Geoffrey. Yes. Ngoka kwa Kenyerere.
Karibu sana Geoffrey.
Ndana ariko batebia ari bateye muisini wone Joseph Sonyu ndari.
Yes.
Akorire gasingiya na ende asine gitari ya itata ya Kenyerere anonkorwa amaeno temire.
Okay.
Igendo pende na ari bateye muisini wa.
Yes.
Ya macha ya rima Kenyerere ekembuya.
Right.
Na enda se gaje meta barinya samu senia senge njotoroche nga asaba msie bara etire. Uyone le toroche otemire koleta magende veo.
Right, asante sana.
Egendo kende para nero ege koru Kenyerere dispensa gie boni kuchikobali performance niwa ngete korosi. Ego soka Kenyerere tundubali. Ono na algo sawo muisini we gore tare ya soka mate. Egero na Kenyerere ra rekane buya.
Right.
Ye namo wisiria maya. naende no turamasayo
Asante sana, asante.
oine wana mwemusi itotogwate kurwa.
Right, asante sana. Mheshimiwa kwa bule pale yo.
Mbia muno Geoffrey pale igwakwana. Twaisaransire na market committee na the surrounding abagaka barengo bake we are agreed pale yo ngoja kuigurwere bono tutaraika 2027 igaya ganyama tukumake goikarora rebira gitabigoeta korore pale ye korosigwa na ebwate alia roja sina igorerie gaika kwenda Nyamisaro alia se esare getake erosi gwetaracheria ebwate bono nego etabwe ofisi ya chief ya eta yambuka yagenda Nyamisaro niyende igurwe egende Kenyerere ekwirende T-Paying Center mat.
Right. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Nduchinganigo ebiro bitu bigendete gutominyokia kigima kroch nabange bagendete gwa kesi migiga kurende asengenchu yebiro mwanchumo ligire nigo kungabira egerengirane asu Mheshimiwa ekero agutokwanira anene maybe amangana ye eyo mweliga ekero tuguchigo kolera ase amagenderero imeye wodi ya Sameta Mukwero nabiga magendero ime yeliro bali yagusi ase obwamo Mheshimiwa.
Yes.
Ingikeli oratebye omwanchumo ligire anene oyo korwa Sameta Mukwero ase wodi yawo.
Mbia muno. Egento egetangani narenge ngukwana nkiribuna tigangireneria abantu baminto ba Sameta Mukwero asa whole.
Yes.
Mbia muno naande mbia muno ekero mwaruchi mbia nyare kobo murayino. Secondary mbia muno asengenjo mumbwatiseti gukora amagenderero buna mwatagete na inche na atemire kuyakora mbaikeri amagenderero yatukasimure. Thirdly, nturakura gukora amagenderero inga chingaki ibintu biri mwante biri byonsi ngotemande gwikirani kune pale ye bachandete igoro ya abwe ligo goeta ejikubwata nyamukenye ninyige nete buna epare iyo nkubayigurira tole nabo igo epare liye kurwa lisa igoro ejikubwata lya mangwana I believe yasau wanja buna tobangete ngokora tole ejina ejipara jire chine ne kitigarete chiri chinde chinke I believe ngukikora toriga kora bono His Excellency Mbarati na tema sana nere asingenjo yobungaini bwaye oretire biragita and I believe this one will be a milestone ito gukikora amagendero injira yo gukumya as Kisii county as a whole. Bali bagana batera babuna biragite bimbiri gukora kende nembureto jereti imbureti gesiri bunando je yansire gusiraiga bantu ba Sameta Mukwero twarobole mwake na handerema ibuna bigo cheiga ngocha bireto tume otukuna mugaso asa yeitarabe na inche mungira neri 2027 ingirane ebinte bimwe gwete na kwanire bosinta gete gokorera abana nabo igo ni chinya gitari cheito mungeri baga nyare ko bangokora buna ibirengera libire.
Right. Asante sana Mheshimiwa asengencho kunyarali bagana gusanga na Getembe TV na ndi ntukurangirie kero turanyore biro elio togendere gusanga mange ndochenga na mange sana ubwate anene kurwa ase wodi yago ayuraga ni gusanga n'abantu bago kuri ntukurangirie na ndekero turanyore biro elikwene kingango ya sangure onsi asinchira ere eyo bwikirano tutewe komwali Mheshimiwa timetinga nubwatikendo gukwana
egento ngukwana neke mugiuka.
Yes.
I want abantu bamintu tuyigwa negenteke.
Yes.
His Excellency Mbarati otemire gokorega sime ya Kisii. Secondly, Simbarati asoka go campaign in Kisii County. Abuno ukago campaign. So a issue yoko leta to try go tuomana Simbarati na Matiangi, I think we are abantu abambari comparable. Bono tugende tukuligere dinaki Simbarati umuntu bakubuna komo igoro ya Kisii macho na hiyo minto esene tagate abeto uchire nero uyu aba igato soy kuba kombe aramu nche na tegerera His Excellency Simbarati igate bobiyiga uyu takira Matiangi kura uyu n'umuntu ureba limu sarigito mutu so nyoro ubikire go nere n'umuntu uri upright umaintegenta gukwana nke abantu isikatokanya kuruana kende getayo why can't we wait totebena ki intwe ekura stogwate na saamo andi gatorena ki ekoba amangana mange tigatu ake siasa ere ndonge gusi yaito na haba gusi yaito tigatu chamu tigatu bwaterane tiganto nyo gutwara chinda mwamu yaya tiga tukire ngora igo tubwaterane tokore gasi itakeire n'abana inchi batagi batubigito tuyare ko batogokora otherwise tigangina nirimbia mona sonse bantu bamindo basameta mukwerero na basabire kanise ritukurie sabatengia mambia kermo ko gende sabato tusabirani chinkwana chetu no boto gukwana twanyora twabasaliri lakini rende eyiga nekerengere ry'umuntu oyomo na inje nekureye mumbwate tini go chenchi bantu inje nekureye mumbwate lakini ikure yane nemanyire na hande no mugusi nemanyira sebwe nete kobera otherwise nutu yakanya go doubt oso doubt yonde tiga tubwatera netwe tokore gendekemo kogera mukanya kuruta na ara kogera twanya basaberekana tiga totebe n'intu n'abantu abamo tiga tubwaterane tokore gendekemo na intwe torrekana Kenya yaitu otherwise nyasaye tigabe na inwe nande karuto konyora nenga kiende ntukwa na mange igoro ya Kemunto na kiatageti.
Right.
Yes.
Asante sana mheshimiwa tali abantu basameta mukwerabuka kurende abagusibonsi
yes.
abega bancho barigeri bonsi tikabatwali sabatengia abago tobera nirimbia mana singi nchogwancha agosangana Getembe TV amaigabene mheshimiwa special request gocha sole gosama igabene kurwa ase oyokuru ku James Mukwa kurwa sameta mukwero ontebiri ngangu saguse sana amaigayo ngageta ikire nambia mana sana singi nchokwa abere ko gotobwatia tomerane nandege kuraga chinsanye ase kionga chinsanya kagetari Getambe elio nkomanye ayitwabere tukwariganiria semeze yutamangana maya kone nanto gwakirembia mana singi nchugwanchire gusangana Getembe TV ugendera gutwara oborigeri burubuya na begugendera kwegokeria emirobiri inchina bwate Engambo ya Getembe nigonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto tobasa guskare gendera kurigereria Getembe TV.